So I did a very stupid thing. I knew better than to do this, but as I was trying to get the bearing off this pinion, it wasn't budging and I didn't have the right puller, and I was trying to hammer it off. And I was getting tired and it was late, and I finally grabbed a sledgehammer and I hit it. I knew better. So I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get this thing focused in. Okay. What it did, if you can tell, is it bent those top two threads down where I hit it with that sledgehammer. So I'm gonna show you how I fix it. Luckily, I don't really need those top two threads. So what I'm gonna do is take this bench grinder and very carefully remove them. I should have showed you the before. This is just my old nut, which the threads are a little screwed up on. Before I couldn't even get this thing to thread on by hand at all. Now that I've got those bad bent threads out of the way, this thing will start to thread right on. See? And there we have it. Fixed. If this video helped you, please help us by clicking that subscribe button. We need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized.
Daddy.
Thank you.
Daddy.